Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tyler with TarverAcademy.com. If you could subscribe real quick, that way I can keep teaching you in the future. You can find this because you'll be like, where was that guy who's helped me? Subscribe. We'll talk later. Okay, so today we're going to talk about how to use Google search to find answers. You guys know Google. It started as a search engine. This is what it did. Ask Jeeves, Bing, Yahoo. You search and then find things on the internet. That's where it started. Now Google, as we know, just consumes the market with regards to a ton of other things. One of the things that helped them out was setting up this first, because now when you search for things, they can move their products, YouTube, Google Help on different instructions, Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, all that. They can move it to the top of the list. So there we go. Whenever we're in Google, this is your Google search, google.com. You can use this to find answers. Here's one: how to upload a YouTube video. Boom. I hit that, and it's going to toss in. Look at this. It's even separated out. Here are 5 steps on how to do it. I can hit more items. It's going to take me into a program called Google Help, and this is titled YouTube Help just because it's a YouTube video. But if I go back, you're going to be able to go through here and check out more and more things that will gear you towards that. But they're obviously going to put their stuff at the top because they made it, they trust it, they know it works. Support.google.com. So this is how you use search to find answers: how to upload a YouTube video, how to download a Drive folder. Boom. They even have a video here. Look at that. How to download a Drive folder. Man, that's so sweet. But these are all support help on how to find answers with Google search. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please subscribe to this channel in case you want to find this later, find some more videos. I've got hundreds of other tutorials, and that way you can do your best to learn and not fail your classes. Thank you so much. Have a great day. And as always, keep working hard. I say as always, catchphrase here. Kidding. See you guys. Bye.
Hey, what's up? Thank you so much for watching my training video. If that helped at all, please subscribe to this channel. It's free, costs nothing. Just click the little red subscribe button unless they change the color. Hey, also, if you want me to come to your school and help train your teachers or your administrators or your students and help make your life easier with Google, just let me know. I've got links in the bio on how to get a hold of me. DM me at Tyler Tarver on Instagram or Twitter. You can go hit my email, tylertarver@gmail.com, or you can just yell really loud. Maybe I'm close. Oh, I thought I heard somebody. You want me to come train you on Google? No? Okay. It'll be fun. We'll learn a lot. And I'll give you a bunch of resources. So thank you guys. Hey, did you subscribe? We talked about it earlier. No pressure. But if you want to, I'll be here. Just gonna wait right here. Look at this lighting. Oh, wow.